am Chef Pom, Mom Long Kwantip Tewakul. Welcome to Kwantip Samrub Thai Dining. Let's go inside. My grandmother, my mother, and my son. I would like to share my family recipe to the world. The recipe which my grandmother and my mother cooked for me, and I cook for my son. And also the Thai traditional way to eat, like we eat in Samrub. Samrub, that means we share everything together. It's quality time in Thai family. You will enjoy that, and you share all the dishes together. Apart of full stomach and smiling on their face, I would like them to understand deeply in our culture of food, how to eat, and how the authentic Thai tastes. I would like them to understand how to eat Samrub, the traditional way of Thai people, that we join eating the food with family, with friends, with everything. But especially, I would like them to understand and know the taste of local Thai food. Actually, the toughest days is the period before we open this restaurant. That period we call research and development. When I bring in my recipe, my old recipe from my grandmother, from my mother, how can we keep it, that flavor, that the food I love, and how can I make all my stuff to make exactly my recipe set. And then we have to work real hard before opening the restaurant to deliver my food to the customer as I would like to be. Firstly, we pay them enough for living. Secondly, we give them enough day off to enjoy their lives. So we provide all the basic needs for them. After that, they will concentrate on the next step. That means work. They work in our kitchen and follow my recipe. And the important thing is, I always ask them for their opinion about the food. I would like them to be a part of our decision, of our working, so they will be proud to be a part of Kwantip Samrub Thai Dining. And then they follow my recipe, that they agree that the recipe is perfect. Personally, I think Thailand is where you can find luxurious experiences without to brace yourself for impact. It's actually deep-rooted in our style of living. We can call sabai culture, a laid-back or oriented attitude, the comfort attitude. So all the visitors who visit Thailand, you feel welcome and you feel relaxing, enjoy our culture, and you will get sabai culture before you realize that. We plan to bring our food to worldwide. We find opportunity for bringing our food to other continents. I would like to introduce real Thai food, authentic Thai food to the world. And I hope one day we can do that. Hope to see you at Kwantip Samrub Thai Dining.